Hello friends, Sam here. Today what we are going to talk about, whenever we deal with JMS in Mulesoft, generally as a JMS server we use Active MQ server, Apache Active MQ server, which is open source. Now there are two ways to set up this server. In this video I will show you both ways. One way is start it from command line. Start it from command line. Don't really install it, but start it whenever you require it. You just go and using batch file, you start it from command line. For example, I'll go to C colon mule 4, and after unzipping this installable Apache Active MQ installable, I got this folder. Okay, I will go to this folder. I'll go to this bin directory. We'll go to this Win64 folder, and there is Active MQ batch file over there. I'll right click on that and run as administrator. So this way I can run my Active MQ server. Let me wait till it gets started. And yes, it got started, and now I'm opening the browser to open the admin console. So I'll go to localhost 8161/admin. I have to give username admin, password admin, sign in, and this is how my admin console will be shown. So this is first way to set up the Active MQ server. You just have to run the batch file and the server will be running over here. Once you close this, server will be stopped. So I show you that if I refresh this, it will show page not found. Let me show you that. Yes, because my server is not running. Second way of setting up the server is install it as service. Okay, so in services you will able to see that. Now you go to the same folder, Win64 folder, and there is another batch file which is install service. So you right click and you run as administrator, and yes, and now if you check services, Active MQ service will be there. Just check it out. I'll go to services, and here you can see that Active MQ server, which is automatic. If you want, automatic means whenever you start the machine, it will be automatically started. Or you can make it manual so that you can manually go and start that service. Let it be automatic. And let's say apply. And as this is the first time I'm starting it, I have to start it like this. Next time, whenever I restart my machine, it will be starting automatically. So you can see that it is running now. And if I refresh this page, I will able to see that my admin console getting loaded. Let's wait. Yes, my admin console is running now. So now I am running Active MQ server as service. So you run it as a service if you require it all the time, or you can just start it from command line with the first way. So these are two ways to set up Active MQ server. I hope this is useful. See you in the next video, friends. Thank you.